Hi crochet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefania and today is lesson 6 of my Crochet 101 series. In this series, I break down the basics of crochet to take anyone from an absolute beginner to a confident crocheter. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to do a half double crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch. If you're unsure about other aspects of crochet, I'll have a link to this playlist in the description below. Without further ado, let's jump into the lesson. For this lesson, I went ahead and built this swatch that's 10 stitches across of single crochet stitches, just so we have something to build off of. I'm going to teach you how to do a double crochet stitch first. As always, at the beginning of a row, we need to chain. When doing double crochet stitches, we're going to put 2 chains at the beginning of our row. We're then going to yarn over, so we have 2 loops on our hook. Then insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull a loop through. Now we'll have 3 loops on our hook. We'll yarn over and pull that loop through 2 of the loops, leaving 2 on our hook. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's our double crochet stitch. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's continue doing that all the way down our swatch. As you can see, compared to single crochet stitches, the double crochet stitch adds more height to the row. As always, make sure you work the stitches all the way down the row. And there's our first row of double crochet stitches. Looking closer, you can see that half of this swatch is just 1 row of double crochet stitches, and the other half is 3 rows of single crochet stitches in addition to the foundation chain. Now if we pull on our fabric a little bit, you can see that the single crochet stitches make a lot tighter of a fabric, whereas the double crochet stitches leave gaps in between. This difference is one of the reasons why it's important to know different types of stitches so you can use them in different projects. Let's chain 2 times to start our next row. And now I'm going to show you a half double crochet stitch. It starts the same as a double crochet stitch with a yarn over and inserting our hook into the first stitch. We'll yarn over and pull a loop through. And then the difference comes in that we're going to yarn over and pull that loop through all 3 loops that were on our hook. That's a half double crochet stitch. Let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, and pull through all of the loops. Now I'm going to do a double crochet stitch next just to show you what the height difference looks like. Yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do 1 more of those. Let's hold our swatch straight. And you can really see here the height difference between a half double crochet stitch and the double crochet stitch. From this double crochet stitch, I'm going to do 2 more half double crochet stitches. Then for comparison's sake, I'm going to do 2 single crochet stitches. Let's look at our swatch again. You can really see that we started lower here, moved up to our double crochet stitches, and then back down to our half double and single crochet stitches. The half double really helped the transition between the double and the single stitches. If we were to go from a single stitch to a double crochet stitch, I'll show you what that looks like. The curve moves up a lot faster, but it's a bit looser in between. So it really just depends on what look you're going for with your stitches. If you have any questions about the double or half double crochet stitches, leave those in the comments down below. Otherwise, join me for the next lesson where we're going to cover treble crochet stitches and beyond. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. If you liked this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I make new videos every week, including check-in videos, crochet tutorials, and other craft content. I have other lessons planned for this series, but if you have any crochet questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!